Welcome to therapy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wash and go using a brand that I have not used ever before. I've heard good things and I've seen good results. Other than that, I hadn't thought to try it until they reached out to me. So I'm excited to see what my results are going to look like. I'm going to do a wash and go. We'll see together. I have tons of wash and go videos on my channel. So I just wanted to bring you guys, a new one with me using different products. I hope you enjoy. For this wash and go, I'm going to be using the Pineapple Crunch Gel Curl Definer. The website says that this product softens and detangles hair while controlling frizz. Some of the key ingredients they highlight is the pineapple, ginger, and turmeric. The second product that I use is the Curlata Moisturizing Cream. This product is made to define and moisturize dry, damaged hair. The site says that it adds manageability to your curls, leaving them soft, shiny, and deeply moisturized. So we will definitely be testing those claims out in this video. Some of the key ingredients for the Curlata is the mango butter, castor oil, and amala oil. So next I'm going to share my thoughts while I demonstrate for you guys each of the products and style this wash and go. So I'm starting off by dampening my hair. First I'm going to add the Curlata Moisturizing Cream. The cream is really thick, so I definitely suggest it for those thicker type 4 curls. As you can see, my hair starts to really shine, and you can see how moisturizing this product is just from me applying a little bit. So I really did like the moisturizing cream. I'm going to work that in with my Felicia Leatherwood brush, and then we're going to get into the Pineapple Crunch Gel. So this gel is a flaxseed based gel. So when it comes to flaxseed based gels, the hold isn't the strongest. And I'll get more into the hold once it dries and show you guys my final thoughts. But just FYI, this is a light hold gel. The texture of it was pretty slimy. It's pretty interesting. But as you can see, it easily applied into my hair, and it mixed well with the Curlata Moisturizing Cream. And yeah, you see those curls? I haven't even shingled or run my brush through it yet, but you already can see the definition starting to come through. So now I'm just gonna shingle my hair really quickly. This is not a wash and go tutorial, so I'm just gonna speed through this clip real quick and show you guys what it looks like once I shingled my hair. Here's what my hair looks like after shingling this section. The curls are clumping together pretty well, and yeah, at this point I was pretty happy with what I was seeing. So now I'm going to show you guys the top of my head. The top of my head is definitely a thicker texture compared to the back of my hair. So I don't know, in my opinion, the definition wasn't as popping in the front as it was in the back, but that's because I have like two different hair textures in my hair. So I just wanted to show you guys another clip of me putting the cream in this section of my hair, and then I'm going to add the Pineapple Crunch Gel and kind of show you guys how the curls look on the top of my head. On the right of the screen, so the left side of my head, you can see the products have been applied and they're still kind of sitting on top of my head. I would say it took some time for them to penetrate into my hair. The white cast does go away as your hair dries, so you don't have to worry about that. And yeah, I just added the gel to the section, and I'm just gonna start to shingle my hair. I feel like I had to do a lot more work to get the curls to pop and really show through on the top of my head, but that's always the case no matter what products I use. The top of my head always gives me more issues. But yeah, the curls are forming, as you can see. And then next I'm going to show you guys just a quick look at how my hair looks, still wet, but all the products applied. So as you can see, the volume already is pretty crazy. Like after I do my usual wash and goes with a really thick stronghold gel, my hair is not this bouncy and full. It's usually weighed down a lot more. So that is one thing I do love about these products. I can get a really good wash and go that has great definition, but I also can get tons of volume on day one, which usually doesn't happen for me with my wash and goes. So just wanted to show you guys my curls, and they're looking juicy and moisturized. And now I'm going to show you guys the results once my hair is dry. It's probably looking a little short in this area from when you guys last saw me. I did cut off some of that strangly hair that was just like throwing the whole vibe off, but it wasn't that much, maybe a couple strands. But these are my final results using Curly Temples Curlata Moisturizing Cream and the Pineapple Crunch Gel Curl Definer. Final thoughts. These products are very fragrant. Like, this is 2 days later and I can still smell the scent. It's not a bad scent. I tend to go for, fruity, light. Well, I wouldn't say these are light, but they are on the fruity side. And those are my kind. That's my jam. So the scent and how strong it is and how long it lingers does not bother me. But if that's something that you are sensitive to, then I just wanted to point that out. I would say there is a light. It's not a crunch, but I can feel the hold. Like, it's a light hold gel. And flaxseed, this is a flaxseed gel, I believe. Yeah, one of the top ingredients. So this is a flaxseed based gel, and most flaxseed based gels are those light hold. They don't leave that crunch that you have to scrunch out. So yeah, it is a lightweight gel. The cream is a thick cream. It definitely moisturized my curls, and I had some definition, as you guys saw, as I was applying it. And as it dried, the definition is still there. I will say I notice it more on the ends of my hair, like how defined it is, whereas the roots are a little bit more bushy and not as defined. But I'm here for it. I have so much volume, and it's only day 2. Usually when I do my wash and goes, I go for that hard cast, that hard hold gel, and it takes pretty much the whole week in order for me to achieve volume like this. So I would definitely pick these products up if you like your wash and goes to be a little bit more voluptuous, not so much that hard cast type of wash and goes. These gave me great results. I have no flaking at all, which they promise on the packaging. No flaking. Yeah. And the volume, I'm here for all this volume. So if you have any questions about these products, this brand, leave them down below and I'll be sure to answer them. Overall, I would definitely pick these up again, especially on those wash and go days where I want it to be more voluptuous on day one or day two. And I don't really care too much about how defined the curls are. Like I said, I got a ton of definition, but it's more focused towards the end in this case. But yeah, I'm loving my results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up because it helps me out a lot. And it lets me know that you like this type of content. And make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And I'll see you guys in my next video.